Let me show you how to earn free Bitcoin Cash, also known as BCH token, every hour. Welcome to BCH. Is the latest addition on the list of the crypto facets, talking about the class of dogepick, solpick, and so on. So this is the new token they've decided to add to their list of facets, right? So let me walk you through how to register and start earning BCH. BCH is already listed and trading on top exchanges. So this is BCH on Bybit, and this is the price, 194 USDT. That's the price at the moment. So the point I'm showing you the price is so you know that you're not mining some airdrop token or some token that we're not quite sure about its launch. So to register, you have the option to continue with Google or sign up. So I'll go for sign up here. So you choose a username, you enter your email address, you choose a password, you could repeat your password. You find my referral code here. Don't touch it. You solve the captcha and you click on sign up. And on the next page, you are automatically logged in. You might want to save your password if you're using a trusted device. So here you already have your surveys. You can choose from any one of the available surveys, the one that suits you to start and complete the task to earn. So here is your level system according to which you're going to be rewarded. I'm currently on stone, so you're going to work your way all the way down to master. You just need to participate in games and shit. So let's roll the facet. Let's solve the capture here. Let's click on claim. So due to my level, I just received 150. Now let's go verify our email, because after verifying your email, you receive bonus facets. So to do that, you simply click on the menu top left here, click on your username, and when it opens, right under your email address, you click on verify email. So a link will be sent to your provided email address. So you come here and you click on verify email, and it says your email has been successfully verified. Please click the go home button to continue using our website. You click on go home. Upon successfully verifying your email address, you come back here and you see you have some bonus facets. Alright, so you can roll up to 10 times without waiting for the countdown timer to run out. And in addition, you're getting 100% rewards for 24 hours, right? In the next 24 hours, any roll you play, you get 100%. That's times 2. Let's click on 100% rewards here. So I just received 120 against 6, right? That's the double portion. So let's do it again. I exhausted my bonuses, so now I will just continue with the other tasks on the platform to earn. And don't forget, you have CPX research here. You can also earn through referrals. You click on the menu top left, you click on affiliates here. So here you can copy a referral link and share with family and friends, and get 50% of their first winnings, 0.4% of the game earnings, 5% surveys, weekly cashback 5%. You can copy a referral link here and go share on any social media platform to earn. And guys, I also like to state categorically that this is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial expert, and I do not own this platform, nor am any way affiliated. So you endeavor to do your research and be responsible for actions taken after doing this, right? I'm not investing any money here. I suppose you can't watch my video and go on and do the things that I didn't do, right? So just for the freebies, that's why we're here. So let's check our withdrawal threshold. Let's click on menu top left, click on withdraw here. So the minimum withdrawal threshold is 0.005 BCH, right? And there's the transaction fees of 0.0002 BCH, right? As soon as I hit the withdrawal threshold, I will not hesitate to share with you guys a live withdrawal in the payment proof. I'll let you to explore other avenues of earning on the platform, including games and every other thing you find interesting, right? So I have actually withdrawn from some of their facets. I mean, facets owned by this very team, talking about Litepick, talking about BNBpick, Solana pick, dogepick, and so on, and I've withdrawn from all of them, right? For the sake of clarity, I'll be leaving some of the links to those videos I made my live withdrawal proof, so you all can watch and see that I'm actually saying the truth, right? And once again, I do not own the project. It's not financial advice. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.